The new e-fuel setup or add-on, there's 2 stages now from Crude Diesel Performance. Let's get to the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me on another video. Today's video I'll be making on the e-fuel setup. There's a slight modification with the filter brackets. These are going to be the ones that are going to be used. These are more versatile. You can mount them either two of your filter heads together, or you could separate them depending on your setup. So you have different ways of mounting them. But this is the complete e-fuel setup from Crude Diesel. This is everything you need to convert your 7.3 to the e-fuel setup. Right now I'm going to take you through the stuff you're going to receive in this e-fuel setup. Of course, you're going to receive all your hoses. This is a Bosch premium fuel pump, Marshall liquid filled gauge, 2 filters, your plug for the hole where you remove your mechanical pump, banjo fitting, 2 filter head mounting brackets, so you could mount them either side by side, or if you want to mount them separately in different locations. That's a nice thing about it. Professional Products Power Flow fuel regulator, your timer. So everything is here you need, and of course all your fittings will come with this kit. You will not have to source any little parts. Everything's going to be there for you to mount this kit and get it bolted up. I already done one of these kits. It is definitely a weekend job. If you are on a time schedule and this is your main vehicle that you're modifying, I would recommend getting a helping hand. You can do it in one day. Took me all weekend. And also, if you have a shop that's well lit, of course you can work longer hours, so you could cut that installation time in half. But I done it outside, and I started Saturday morning, and by Sunday afternoon I was done with the complete e-fuel setup. So everything you need to know about this complete e-fuel setup, all the links will be down below. You can click on them. It takes you to eBay. You can read more about them to get the specs. Also, if you want to purchase the product, it's going to be with that link. So check it out. Any questions, comments, leave them down below and I will get to you. Also, don't forget, I'm doing a drawing on the crossover hose kits for the 7.3s, doing one for the 94 to 97 and a 99 to 03. It's a free giveaway. Check out the videos. Thank you and have a great day.